All right, today we're going to bring some Dewalt batteries, and these are 20 volts, 8 amps. Now, they have a couple things that you should be aware because they're pretty handy. I mean, I like this thing. It has an LED light, power. On the power, if you hold it down, if you push the power button, it tells you how much percent you have, but you can always use this as a regular flashlight. So even without the machine, if you guys can see that, I don't even have it on. Now, I'm not done yet. Let me show you another thing. Now, another great thing is that it has a Type C to Type C. All right, you could do Type C to Type C, Type C to Type A, pretty much anything. Now, not only that, it's output and input. That means you could charge this machine without even having a docking station for it. All right, so I really like that option that you don't need to have anything, you just plug it in. So that means you could power devices, and it could power the device too. So really handy.